Has COVID canceled your kids' summer plans? Do you now have time to think about their Jewish education? Are you looking to connect with other Jewish families in Orange County? Perhaps interfaith ones, just like yours? Hi, I'm Rabbi Rebecca Schinder of Temple Beth Shalom in Florida, New York. As the mother of 3 kids with absolutely no plans for this summer, I know the importance of finding programs that are engaging, interactive, meaningful, and from the safety of our own home. This is why our community is excited to share with you our brand new program, Hebrew Summer Splash. Through games, songs, videos, 4th graders and up will have the opportunity to learn an entire year's worth of Hebrew in only 12 45-minute sessions. To learn more about Hebrew Summer Splash and other programs, we invite you to check us out at www.tbsny.org.
And if you're still on the fence, be like my dog Ginger and just take the plunge.
Go, Ginger, get those Hebrew letters.